Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on and confirming basic readiness. Press the power button, then confirm battery level and map files. Once done, load the offline topo map for your area so you don't rely on cell service. Make sure GPS and internal compass are enabled and set the correct time zone and datum. This ensures coordinate accuracy when matching map grid lines. Finally, store spare power sources in an accessible pocket. You'll want them during long hikes. Next, you build the path you'll follow and prepare to record your progress. First, mark essential waypoints, trailhead, junctions, water, and emergency exits so you can snap back to safety points. Then, create a route by connecting those waypoints and preview the elevation profile to anticipate climbs. Enable track recording and choose a 5 to 15 second interval for a good balance of battery life and precision. Once the route is active, start navigation and watch your position move along the line. As you hike, rely on the bearing and distance readouts and cross-check with visible landmarks or contours to verify you're on track. You should glance at elevation and nearby waypoints periodically. This explains why you can detect a wrong turn early. If reception degrades, make sure to slow down, step into an open area, and use the compass overlay. If problems persist, toggle the GPS, restart the device, or switch to an alternate satellite system like GLONASS or Galileo to regain a fix. Finish by saving the recorded track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.